Providing nutritious food between staple and complement food is unbalanced in developing countries, especially that has high population. In their mindset, it is enough to satisfy their hunger by eating much carbohydrates or their staple food for their energy. Simple Plant is a simple plan to life. It is a system to make people have healthy eating habits in their daily activities. With the simple plan, they will know what food they will eat, and then it will be easier for them to produce their complement food. The balance between staple food and complement food will generate a nutritious food. Simple Plant, a simple plan to a simple life, to complete our daily nutrition. Because eating was more than just putting whatever that we liked to satisfy our hunger.